Hello, do you know you can own an online store that actually costs hundreds of dollars at no cost at all? Yes, an online store is a very important tool in growing your business. So if you want to grow your business, you are a vendor or you run a business of selling, you need an online store. And I'm going to walk you through how you can actually get this for free. Now, in 3 steps. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button. And I want you to like this video because when you do, YouTube will show it to more people so that they can get to watch this like you as well and learn this. So like this video, hit the subscribe button, and while doing that, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on the content we are bringing out for you every week. What we do is that we help businesses to grow with digital tools. So we share all kinds of digital tools in this platform to help your business grow. You can check other videos and they will interest you and help you grow your business. Now, let's jump right into it. Now, I call it WhatsApp online store in 3 steps. 3 simple steps with which you can build your WhatsApp online store, and it is free. Step number 1, you find the app on the App Store. You install the app. That is step number 1. Step number 2, you configure the app. I'm going to walk you through all that. Step number 3, you share the app to your friends and clients and everyone on the social media platform. Now, when you share your URL, they will come to your store and patronize you. That is beautiful. You know, one thing that I love about online store, that's my biggest, I call it the biggest advantage of online store, is that you can actually run a store right on your mobile phone as if you are sending a WhatsApp messages. That is a beautiful thing. Now I'm going to walk you through step number 1. And step number 1 is find the app and install the app. Okay, all you need to do is to first go to your Play Store, find your Play Store, and type in Weepaar, Veepaar. Now you are going to see Weepaar. Is download and install. Then you open Weepaar. Now opening Weepaar, then you have to create a new account with your Weepaar. Now you create a new account. I'm going to enter this email here, imoru@gmail.com. Then I'll enter the name, enter the password that I want to use. Then I click on create. Now I'll walk you through step number 2. Step number 2 is configure your store. Now you can configure your store step by step. Follow me. Then you get on create. You're going to enter your business name. What I will put here is Nature's Health, and I will write a little description about my business. All you need about organic health. Then my country is Nigeria. Then I'm going to pick the currency. And I'm picking the currency right now, after which I go to my pictures to get my banner. I'll get my image, that's a logo. I'll get my logo and put at the middle in that place. Now this is how you do this. Then you click on finish. You click on finish. It's quite interesting. After clicking on finish, it's going to save and take you inside the store. Now we have to verify your email. If you have not, if you're a new account holder, verify your email and return back to this place. Then this is what you're going to see. You're going to see info, numbers, social media, link, and domain. Then we have the CRM. Then we'll come back to the store. So first, we are going to deal with configuration of the details, which is our information. Then we'll come back to store. Store, you have dashboard, you have an order, you have product, category, and all that. Now let's come back to the store and just put our information there. This is the profile image we gave and the cover image. They're right there. Then this is the name, the business name. Then this is the little description that we had there. Then here we have the language. We can choose to pick English. The language is automatically English anyway, but you can choose to pick English. Then you write your address in that place. Now let's write a 29 Urbano Street. Now then we save. When we save, that one is done. Then we'll go to, we'll have the WhatsApp. We'll put our WhatsApp number. The number we want to receive text message on, our WhatsApp number. Put it right there. Then you will go to where we have the social. First of all, let's start with Instagram. After writing, after Instagram, that's your username, instagram.com/your username. In this case, my username is Austin Imoru. Then we also go for more social. Yeah, we have the uh, okay, let's have our link, our URL. Then we, after adding our URL, then we can go to the domain and see. Then these are two situations here: your name at whats.bz, or you get your own domain. Your own domain is when you use a pointer. Now we will not have time to teach those tech here, but for now, keep the name that the subdomain dot whats.bz. Now that will help us. So don't forget, it's natures-health.words.bz. Now that is okay for now. We can save that. No need to teach tech here. Maybe later I'll make another video to teach you how to buy a domain name that can be your store.com, and you attach it to this place. But for now, this is what we have. We save this, and after saving this, now this is what our other backend look like. Let's go to store and see what we can do with store. Now let's scroll up and get to store. Store, if you start with dashboard, you will see that everything in dashboard is in 00. And if you go to order, you will see the same thing, everything in order. There's nothing there yet because we have not put anything there. Now this is the dashboard, 1st of April to 30th of April. Total order, revenue, all are all in zeros. Now let's go to order. Everything here, there's nothing here also. Let's go to product asks you to put category. Let's go to category. Now we'll go to category. That's where we're going to start the main work. Now we'll start to create category one after the order. Click on the blue plus sign. That is how you add the new category. I'm going to have a beauty product. I'm going to add another category. Let's call it a weight loss or weight management. Now let's add another category. What do we call it? Let's call it supplement, because I'm actually running this. I'm going to run something for Forever Product store, online store. So let's call it supplements. Okay, now we have supplements. Let's okay, we have a few categories right there. We have supplement, we have weight management, we have beauty. I think this one will do for now. Let's just use to create our store. Now for product, we're going to have the product name. The category is already there, which is supplement. We'll have the price. There's something you can going to see: the regular price and selling price. Regular price is the price that you call the regular price of the product. The selling price is you giving a little discount, and you put that one there. So which means the selling price should be less than the regular price. In other words, you are saying I'm giving discount. That's what that means. So let's go add pictures. I already have some image. Yeah, this is aloe vera gel. Let's add this one to it. Now after adding this, we'll enter our measurement, enter the product description. Product description should depend on what you want to write. Then the SKU is actually a number you give to your product. It's optional here. Number you give to your product. If you want to add the URL here where they can get details of the product, you do that. After which you click on create. Now it has created one category for Forever Aloe Vera Gel under supplements. And that's looking beautiful already. Now let's just move quickly to creating a PayPal account if you don't have a PayPal account. Now because you need a PayPal account for you to actually get the checkout. So you can go to paypal.com, enter the details you want to use for the paypal.com, your email, your name, your phone number, and your password. Then you can, if you are not a registered business, if you're not a developer, just click you're not a developer. Now then you move on. Now you create that password. Make sure your password is a strong one. Then I'm not a developer, so I click that. Now let's come back here. Now we are going to, let's check right here these settings. Let's check whether our settings are okay. Then this is where I want you to pay attention. Under setting, you can actually send a message that your customer will get to see. So you can put something right there on in this checkout note so that they get to see. So here I'm writing, make sure you input your actual address with landmarks. Now for easy delivery. Now every customer before checking out will get to see that, and they will cross-check their address. Now let's go to WhatsApp. This is where it gets interesting. Now, I want you to leave it at a VEPA official number so that you can easily get your OTP. Now, here for the OTP verification, click it, and the status also make sure they are all enabled. Now, once this is done, we'll come back here. Let's go to payment and see payment. We have different options. We have pay later. We have Razor Pay. But the one that is available in Nigeria most of the time is Paystack. So let's click on Paystack. Remember, enable Paystack. Remember, we created Paystack account. Now, there is what we call the publishable key and the secret key. When you go to your Paystack account, you're going to find this right there on Paystack account so that you can copy them and paste them here, and your account will be ready to function as a full online store. So it is very easy. Don't get a little bit easy right now. This is easy. So let's go to our publishable key. There are two keys Paystack is going to give you: publishable key and secret key. Now let's go to Paystack and get our two keys that we are going to use here. Now you go to Paystack, you go to your profile, you click right there on the icon, you see profile, click on profile. Now my Paystack is still on test mode. We are not activated yet by Paystack. Now, when you go to text mode, go to API keys and web hooks. Now, API keys, you will see the key, you see secret keys there. You will see test public key. Now, the text public key is the publishable on the other side. Then the secret keys remain the same secret key. But what we have here, they are all test. They are test, secret key, and test public key. By the time we leave text mode in Paystack, it will now be secret key and published key. So let's just copy them, come down here, and go paste. So I pasted the secret key. Let me paste the public key. The other side is called publishable key. Now let's paste them. If we paste them now, we enable our app as a test mode, because your Paystack is on test mode, and you save. Now, I don't want you to forget that when your Paystack leave text mode after they've fully accepted your account, and you will now come here and paste the new keys. Now, let's come back. You can see that our Paystack now is enabled. Paystack is enabled. You are good to go. So there will be two payment method: the pay later and the Paystack. Now, if I were you, I can disable the pay later. Now, let's go back to our store and look at our store again. Now, this is our product. We're going to go browse our store with the URL. This is the product that we have added. I've added this one offline. Now, this is a product that I've added. A product under healthy drinks, they are there. Now, this is a beautiful store. Now, let's come back here. Everything here is set. We are ready. Don't forget the link. You can share the link right here by clicking on share with friends. Now, if we come back to the main platform, this is how beautiful your online store is going to look. And now let me try to order something using Paystack. Now, I have to put my email, put my address, then I'll click on continue. Now it's asking me to put my landmark. Remember, I never landmark on the other side. So I'm going to put a good day bus stop. There's nothing like that. It's just for it. Now it's asking for the OTP. Now I enter my number. OTP has been sent to my phone. It is there on my WhatsApp. Look at it here. It's 606686. Now I've pasted it and I'll click. Now waiting for it to finish the order. Now it's asking me to pay with card, pay with bank, or pay with USD. So I'll click on pay with bank. Now successful, I'm going to click on successful and I'll click on pay. You see, your money is going straight into your payment successful, your order is placed. Now, this is how beautiful this thing is. It's going to send me an SMS. Step number 3, you start to share your URL. Your store URL, your store link, or you start to share it to everyone. Now, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share with as many people as possible. Thank you so much. I remain Austin Imoru, the guy that believes that you can do much more.